Hello everyone, welcome back. Now in this lecture we will work on this save section guys. Okay. So let here you have to implement that features. For that here we have already defined the function name that is and then save it. So let me remove this one. Then here you have to go to the top and then define this function guys. Okay, this function we will use for both the like section as well as for the lectures. So let here you have to define the function const and then save it function. Here you have to make it arrow functions. Okay. So let here inside it here. First of all, we will check the conditions here. Here that is check if the section is being edited or not. So here you have to check the condition if inside it editing here editing dot type. Okay, it is equal to the sections sections. Then inside okay here. Outside it inside it here that is a okay here copy the current section object and then after that here update the section title with the new values. Okay. Here you have to check the condition inside it that is a const updated section. Here write the updated section equal inside it here. Okay, inside it here copy the current section object. So here you need to spread it dot curriculum. Okay, here curriculum. Then inside it that is a editing dot section index. Editing editing dot section. Okay, here you got your section index inside it. And then after that inside it here update the section title with the new values. That is the title. Here make sure that here this is a here you have to write the comma then title it is a section edit section values edit section values. Got it. Here you have to find your document. This is update sections. Okay guys, so now the next step is to here we will prepare the data that we want to send to the server side. Const data, then inside object here updated section. Here you have to write the mhm, updated sections. Then here you have your curriculum id. Okay, here you can write your curriculum id, but here I have decided to write in the search, so don't worry about it. This is your curriculum id, your url id. So let here you have to format your document. This is your curriculum id. Then after that here it's below we will create here the API endpoint for updating your section titles. Okay, so let here do that guys. So let here you have to define the const response equal await fetch inside backtick. Okay, here is SEO environment variables that is a process.env dot apis, then forward slash outside it that is go inside admin then curriculums. Okay, here go inside admin and then forward slash curriculum. Here write the curriculum then forward slash section then forward slash here use dollar symbols then inside it here that is updated section dot underscore id. Okay, so you have to write okay here dollar symbols then inside it here updated sections. Okay, inside it here updated sections. Then inside it here you have the id. Then inside object here you got this, but why? That is here. So with your wait keyword, I know that here you have to make it a sync function so that you can use a wait keyword inside it. Then here inside object HTTP put request for updating your data. Here you have to define your method. That is it. Then headers here content type application JSONs. Here you have to write the headers inside it. Content type application JSONs. Content content type, that is a application forward slash JSONs. This is a method put headers content type application JSONs. Then this is your headers. After that, he has sent the updated section data as a JSON response to the server side. So in the body here body, that is a JSON.stringify. Then inside it here we have the data. Okay, this data here you have to send to the client side. Inside it here you have the updated section, this one, and your ID, your curriculum ID. So let me close your response, and then after that here it's below. Okay, so here we will check the condition here. If the update was successful, then we will update your UI immediately. So here let me do that, guys. First of all, check the conditions. If inside it here, if the response dot okay, here response dot okay, then inside it here, that is your set curriculums, set set curriculum functions. Mhm. Set curriculum. Inside it here you have to make the other functions. Here you have the previous sections. Inside it, previous sections. Then inside it here, that is a previous section dot map function here. Previous section dot map functions. Then again inside it here you have to make the another functions. Okay. So inside it here, inside it, that is a, here you have the, that is section and index. Section as well as index. Then here you have to check the condition inside it here. If index equal to the editing dot section index. So here if the index, it will mean this. Then here index equal to the editing dot section index. Here editing, editing editing dot editing dot section index. Okay, here you have the your editing dot section index. Okay, then here we will use the ternary operator. So here if it is true, okay, here if it is true, then just here we have to update these values. Otherwise, just it is sections. This section here you have to write it. Then inside it here you have to implement the logic, that is a spread your section, and here you have to just update only the edited section title. Here you have your spread operator. Then sections, okay, sections. Then here you have to just update your title, title. That is a edit section value. Edit section values here. Got it? So let format your document. This is your logic here. Inside it, inside arrow function, we have created another map function. Then inside it here we have the arrow functions. Okay. So this is your if condition. Here you have to check the another condition. That is if it is a fail to update. Here inside it here you have to that is a fail to update sections. So here console at log, then inside it failed to update sections, failed to update sections. Got it? Then this is your else block here. Go inside else block here. This one, guys. This is your if condition here. Then inside it here we will implement the logic for your lectures. Okay. So here you have to check the else if condition is if. Then inside it here you have to write the logic if lecture is being edited. That is a editing dot type equal to the lectures. Got it? So let's implement the logic here. Editing dot type equal to the lecture. And then inside it here, guys, here copy the current lecture object. So inside it here, const updated sections. So inside it here, updated section, updated sections is equal inside object here. That is dot curriculums. Okay, here curriculum. Then editing dot section index. Editing dot section index. Here write section index. Then here we will try to assess the lectures. This is a lectures. Then here inside it here editing dot lecture index. Editing here editing dot lecture index. Got it? Here that is the lecture. Then editing dot lecture index. Got it? Then here you have to write the then after that here update the lecture title with the new values. Title, that is the edit lecture values. Edit lectures values. Here you have to format your document. Okay. And then outside it here get the section ID. So just here you have to got const section ID is equal to curriculum, then inside square bracket editing dot section index, editing dot section index. Okay, dot ss ID. Got it? Then after that here you have to prepare data that you want to send to the client side. Data equals then inside object that is updated sections. Here write the updated section, then section ID. Here you need to write the section ID. This section ID we will send to the server side. Then here you have your curriculum ID, that is search. Got it? Here you have to prepare your data. Then this is your data. After that here it's below here we will create the API endpoint for updating your lectures. Const response equal await fetch API side backticks, that is inside it SS your environment variable process dot env dot API, then / go inside admin, then / curriculum. Here curriculum then forward slash section, then forward slash lecture, then forward slash dollar symbols. Okay, here basically I want to access the lecture ID. Okay, so how you can access this? Here it is a very simple curriculums. Okay, curriculum, then inside a square bracket, editing dot section index, editing dot section, editing dot section index, here dot, and then here after that lectures, this is the lectures. Here you have lectures, then inside a square bracket, that is editing dot lecture index, editing dot lecture index. Then outside it here, if it is available, then access its ID. Then after that here outside it, then inside object. Okay, so here inside object, here define your specify inside object. Here specify your method that is put. Then inside it here you have to define the headers. Here basically make it in the JSON format. Content type, that is application JSONs. Okay, so here after that it's a below you send updated lecture data to the server side in the body that is a here not inside a string, remove this one. Okay, here it is a JSON, it is capital unit JSON dot stringify method. Inside it here you have to send your data, that is this data that is inside it here, updated sections, then section ID, then search to the server side. Then here you have to format your document. This is your response. Then after that here it's below. Here check. Here we will check if the update was successful or not. So in the next lecture we will implement this feature here. Got it? So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next lecture.